Hello kids, good morning everyone. How are you all today? Hope you all are fine at home, right? Do you remember me? I am your Kiran ma'am and today I will teach you number 7. But before that, we will do the revision of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 0 ZERO 0. 1 ONE 1. 2 TWO 2. 3 THREE 3. 4 FOUR 4. 5 FIVE 5. 6 SIX 6. So now kids, tell me which number will come after 6? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see few objects related to number 7. Now we will count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pencils. Now we will count 7 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crayons. Now we will count these sharpeners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sharpeners. Now we will count these erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 erasers. Now comes the activity time. Are you all ready? Yes? See kids, I have taken some dough over here. From it I had made small balls and one straw. मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा आटा लिया है जिसमें से मैंने स्मॉल बॉल्स बनाए हैं और एक स्ट्रॉ लिया है. So now I will show you how to make small balls from a dough and then we will put it in the straw one by one. Now kids, I will take some dough from this and I will show you how to make small ball. We will do round, roll it like a round shape, and this is how you will make small balls from a dough. As I have made small balls from it, now I will put one by one in a straw and we will do the counting also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now kids, we will count the balls in a straw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, how many balls are there in a straw? There are 7 balls in a straw. Kids, now I will show you how to trace number 7 on the slate. First, I will make a slipping line slowly, and then I will make a slanting line. Once again, slipping line, slanting line. Now I will teach you how to write number 7 in your notebook. See kids, I have written date over here 3/1/31-7-2020, 31st July 20th. Heading number 7. Now let's start writing number 7. As 7 is a single digit number, so we will write under O. O stands for ones. O stands for ones. So how we will write? We will start from the middle of the box. Slipping line, slanting line, touch the blue line. 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 Now this side we will start. Slipping line, slanting line, touch the blue line. 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 Now here we will write slipping line, slanting line, touch the blue line. 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 See kids, this way you will write number 7 in your notebook. Now kids, after writing number 7 in your notebook, on the next page we will draw 7 objects. Kids, we will make 7 flags. So first we will make a standing line. From here slanting down, then another slanting down. Again we will make a standing line. From here slanting down, another slanting down. Kids, this way you will draw 7 flags in your notebook. Start counting the flags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now kids, we will do coloring in the flags with different colors. First, I have taken orange color and I will do coloring in the first flag. First, I will do outline of the flag slowly. And now I will do coloring inside it. Now kids, I have taken purple color and I will do in the second flag. First I will do outline of the flag slowly, and then I will do coloring inside it. See kids, flags are looking colorful. Yes, so you also complete your coloring in the flags like this in your notebook. I hope kids you all enjoyed the video and learned how to write number 7 in your notebook. So kids, you all practice at home to write number 7 in your notebook. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.